To set up eSIM on the Samsung Z Fold 8, start by opening System Settings. Right now go into the Connections and then go for SIM Manager. Right now click to add eSIM. Wait for a loading screen, just a few moments, and as you can see we get a few options. We can add our eSIM by transferring this from other Android phone, from iPhone, or we can set it up manually, especially useful if you have a new mobile plan. So let's say that in this video I'm going to show you with this method. So now you have to scan the QR code of your mobile plan. So usually you will get it actually when you receive this card from your service provider, and when you got the QR code somewhere, you can just put it like this and simply scan with a camera. But if you receive only the details, the activation code, you will have to click over here and input the code that looks like this usually. That starts from this one. You can also click and hold here to copy if you have it in the clipboard, but there's also option to pick it up from your email. So let's say you have received this QR code on the email, so you can tap here and then pick this QR code from your saved pictures. And after this, you have to just simply follow on-screen instructions, just few of them. Thank you so much for watching.